And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man? How's it going? What you running in here, man? It's got 6 DC level 6 or 4 DC level 618s, 4 DC 5Ks half on. Yeah, got plenty in here. What kind of batteries are you running back there? It's got a 95 amp hour C-Max on it. That's it? On 20K. Okay, well, let them know where they can find you on social media, man. You on social media, Facebook, anywhere? We're on, Facebook. Okay, where can they find you? David Doyle. Okay, y'all be sure to give him a call. All right, man. Appreciate it. I'll be there with you. All right, thank you. All right, thanks, man. You still rolling? Yeah, you're still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.